part 1's a snowstorm. Snowstorm. Ding dong, can someone let me in? I'm about to freeze my butt off. Mom, have you realized it's freezing in here? What do you mean? I turned on the heat earlier. Oh my gosh. It's actually really cold in here, and I haven't feed the babies yet. You guys go get your blankets, and I'll make dinner and check the news. Okay. Can someone let me in? Oh no, go let in Taylor. It's really cold in here. Go let in Taylor. Oh, okay. Finally, I have to go upstairs and unpack. No, Claire, wait. What? Okay, I'm just go. Oh, okay. Put her blanket there. Guys, come here. Where's your brother? He's outside on the treadmill. What? This is not time to get strong. Jaden, get inside. Now it's cold. It's actually really cold out there, Mom. Freezing. I am warming. Guys, what the heck? Guys, it's time for dinner. Let's give the babies. No, this is not. No. Just gonna give them their food. I don't care. They don't like this. This is what I make, and this is what they're gonna. I should make them some hot cocoa, or some whatever. Make them something. I'm gonna grab my blanket out. Not this one. This one's yours. This one's mine. These are for the babies. Oh my gosh. It's cold. We should put down the crayons. Yeah, I agree with you. We should clean this up now. Dada, it's cold. It's actually really cold. The door is open. That's why he closed and locked the door. It's still cold in here. Gotta finish making dinner. Let me go upstairs and unpack my clothes. It's even colder up here because me and CJ are up here near all the windows. It's freezing out here. I should just unpack and change, or maybe I should just stay into these clothes. I don't know. It's freezing. Got my phone. My mom cannot see this, but I don't care. Let's see. I bring my bag downstairs. Hey, Taylor. What? Can you pass me down my pajamas? Boy, you don't need your pajamas. You're already wearing your other pair. Can you read my phone? Sure. So cold. It's even cold up there. Here. I'm gonna put my backpack in the bag thing. Why is this my blanket? Duh. Guys, what the heck? Wait. That is cold. I'm sitting on the couch. What the heck? You guys. What? In the living mind. Wait, guys. Wait. I'm pausing this roleplay. Like, what the heck was that? Oh my god, I don't know how to fix it now. There we go. There we go. And back to the roleplay, because that was weird. That does still totem feel. It's even colder upstairs. Bro, it's cold, for real. You guys, I'm gonna make dinner, lunch. Oh, it's freezing. I should give the twins their food as well. It's freezing. It's really cold. Let me turn on the news before you guys eat. Breaking news. There is a big snowstorm hitting Tocoboca Street. If you live in Tocoboca Street, avoid leaving your house. Keep all the doors and windows shut and locked, as if this snowstorm is the biggest storm we ever had. And do not leave your house. I repeat, do not leave your house. Make sure you have food and water, because this storm will be lasting for 48 days. And there will be schools canceled till the 48 days. What? 48 days is literally 2 days. And this snowstorm is going to be -2 degrees. What? No wonder it's so cold. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to turn off the heat. She turns on the heat. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make your dinner, breakfast, your lunch. Okay, Mom. I've never been this cold. I should really make them some hot chocolate. Guys, hold on. I need to grab a coffee maker real quick. Then we'll go back to the roll. I'm so sorry. Is there no coffee maker? Wait, guys, hold on. I am so sorry about this, guys. I'm so sorry. Anyways, pretend this is hot chocolate. Sorry about that. Give them all hot chocolate. They all need it. Yes. They all should get hot chocolate. It's freezing. Here's hot chocolate. Let's set mine down. Boys, here's your hot chocolate. Where's the ice, Mama? Oh shoot, I forgot your baby bottles upstairs. And Taylor said it was really cold on the 3rd floor. I think I should grab their diapers and stuff too. I should pack a little bag for down, because I don't know, it's freezing up here. Okay, let's go grab our phones. Actually, I'm just gonna use this box for now. We'll take all the boxes out, because you'll never know what's gonna happen. First, I should pack this little box first, because house key, phones, definitely phones. Well, I don't know about the phones, but we're not going to be down there for so long, but I must bring these stuff to be prepared, just in case if the kids have an oopsie. Okay, I think we're good. I'm coming back, kids. Brr. It's really cold. It's even more colder in this elevator. Mom, guys, I'm here. Mom, you seriously packed the whole? Mom, you seriously packed the whole box, just in case, kids. I'm putting this microwave right here. Okay. I'm just gonna put this on the counter, just in case. Now I'm just gonna keep this on the floor. Then put this over here. Okay, just grab the baby bottles, because I know they want their bottles. I should just give them their food first, then snack. I don't really know. Like every time I breathe, it gets even colder. It's freezing. Oh my gosh. I think the heat is frozen. What? The heat is frozen? It probably is, sweetie. I'll cook these peppers. Gotta cook these peppers. They love this meal when I make it for them. They love it. Gotta put the peppers on the plate. Gotta make a few more things. Another egg. The egg carton is gone. Oh well, someone will done it out later. Get both of their eggs. Okay, their eggs are done. Okay, looks like the rest of you guys will have to have dino nuggets because we're out of peppers and mostly about to be out of eggs. I don't really care, Mom. I just want to eat and go upstairs. You guys, I don't think it's safe to go back to your guys' rooms because it's really, really cold up there. Bro, I'm done. This, you have to be serious. Plate. Okay, now just me and your dad's plate. Just like I said, the rest of them have to have dino nuggets, so that's me and their fucking must have to have dino nuggets. I hate. I'm just gonna cook these dino nuggets. Well, dino nuggets are good now, but like, it's still freezing. Okay, guys, your food is ready. Mom, how can you seriously cook at this time? I don't know, sweetie, but I'm gonna bring you guys his cups. Yeah, bring my Gatorade bottle and bring my Stanley. I can only grab 2 things. You guys go to the counter and eat. I guess I have the registers. I have to put my phone down first. Wait. Oops. It's freezing. I'll just take the peppers. Take your cup. Everyone place your guys' phones down. We will, Mom. I'll just take the orange peppers. I'll just sit over here. They all eat. Okay, just put that in there. Okay, they all eat their food. Sorry guys. Now I have like, I don't know. They all got to eat their food. Yo, can they not eat? Okay, you eat that. I don't care. And you go this. I don't really care if, like, she washes the dishes. Okay guys, the dishes are washed and we should be fine now. Fine? You think we're gonna be fine, Mom? It's -2 degrees outside. And you think we're gonna be fine? Guys, you guys really need to chill. Beep, beep, beep. Breaking news. We have... I don't know what to say, guys. We have watched the Oh my god. We changed the time, and this snowstorm will be lasting for at least 24 hours, not 48. Sorry for the misunderstanding. And now the degrees have changed to 24 degrees. I think 24 degrees is worst. Really? Okay. Okay. The heat is on. Yay! Now we can take off our blankets. Yeah. Nice. Now we can actually you're all just go with all these over here. Yes, we're fine. We're free. I guess we have to bring them all their blankets. Finally. We're on TikTok. Of course you're all on TikTok. Okay, come on guys, you got to eat. Leave the decor alone. Okay, you too. No, eat. God. Okay, here you go. Yummy. Okay, you guys drink your bottles. Here's your pacifiers. The next day. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Bye.